Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining this little webinar about having your own charts up on astro.com or Astro Dance. So, I've been using this forever. I think I think when I got serious about astrology, which is 13 years ago, I used this to learn charts. Okay, and you can put up to 100 charts on here, so it's very useful. And it's just getting better and better. Um, so I already have, of course, a profile on here. And I'm going to show you, let's see, yeah. So here, you can add new Astro data here. You plug in everything. You can, here, look, you have gender or event, birthday, and time, AM or PM is there if you don't know, and midnight is 0, 12 noon, and onward into PM. And USA was right at the top there. And when you type in, my town has a couple different ones, so check this out. I always I do that. So Oak Park, Michigan for me, and there's two always, so like that. Okay. Now it's the same one that I put in, so here you go. You click on that, and if you want to see everything, wow, they just changed it again. They just changed it again. It's so much easier now, I think. I think they changed it because, okay, yeah, extended horoscopes is great, but let's just do the chart drawing for right now so you can see that. Here's your chart drawing, just me here. And I've already put in a lot of extra points in here, so that'll be the second video we do. So here we go. Look at this. This is the major thing. So again, just want to show you, I'll back up. I clicked on my profile here and chart drawing ascendant. And if you want to make it bigger, you can click on it and it opens it up big. And you can see, here's the information. Here's the degrees. So if you can't really tell, but we're going to go over that. It even gives you a chart of which the elements and the oh, what's that called? It's the if hmm, la la la. It's the seasons. Got to the season. So beginning, middle, or end of each season. Forgetting that name. And then here's all the aspects. This little chart. So that's what this is all about. It'll show you the different times. Change it for you, but it will plot it for the time you put it in the time zone that you've used. Okay, so here's my chart. When I made this first last week, it was cool because Mercury, the new moon, was right on my Mercury at 4 degrees Aquarius. So here's how you learn how to find stuff. This is the rising sign. So you can see how the rising sign is going to cut through one of the signs. Here are the signs going all around. Now, of course, knowing what the symbols are is kind of crucial. So you might want to have a little chart next to you when you work with this as you're learning. The colors help because the colors are by element. Red for fire, green for earth, yellow or gold for air, I guess, and then blue for water. So this is Sagittarius. Where's the arrow? Okay, and 6 degrees is my rising sign, right? So here's 0 degrees Sag, yeah? Get that? 0 degrees, and each little thing here, each little mark is 5 degrees. So 5, and there's 6, right? So that'd be 10, 15, and here's 20, and there's my Neptune because it's at 19, 25, there's my Venus because it's at 24, see? And 30 degrees, Sag is really Capricorn 0, okay? So you get something at 0 Cap, it would still be here, which is the first house, right? But it would be in Capricorn. If I had something from 0 to 6 degrees Sag, it would be in my 12th house, right? 12th house. So first house, ascendant. Here's my second house. It starts with Cap, but then there's a bunch of Aquarius also in the second house. So my 4 degrees Mercury in Aquarius, 8 degrees Mars, 10 degrees Sun. So yeah, you do need to know the symbols. So why don't I go around with the symbols too right now? Um, those are written, obviously. Those are the asteroid goddesses. Mine happen to be closely together, 3 of the 4. So, and again, that they're in Aquarius. This is Aquarius, but third house. This here is third house, but it's moved into Pisces, right? The fourth house is marked by the IC or nadir, okay? Um, Moon, Eris, of course, that's Chariklo, Chiron, and let's see, Varuna. Oh, it's missing one. I'm missing Sedna. Sedna's not here. Okay, so Varuna is here, my descendant, right? 10 degrees. Moving on. Orcus doesn't have a symbol in the system. Jupiter. Maki Saturn. Haumea. North node and the south node is invisible. You could mark it to be visible. I'll do that in a second. Little webinar here. There's Pluto. And finally Uranus. 12th house. So Sag, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio. That's the cycle for me. The midheaven is up here, starting the 10th house here, going up to the crown. I see is here, the nadir down to the root chakra. Okay. Shows you a little bit about how to see the signs. So here, look how the 12th house is so much smaller than the other houses. 12th house is smaller, and equally the 6th house is equally as small. Isn't that interesting? The largest, looks like the largest houses for me are the 2nd and 3rd houses, and that means also identically the 8th and 9th house are also my largest houses. So that's where the bulk of my consciousness is, and my planets are mostly there too. So isn't that interesting? Okay, what else is helpful? We were just going to look at another example to find a degree. Let's see. It says that my Uranus is at 20 degrees, and here's how you know it's in Scorpio, right? Because you go out, it's in Scorpio, and you can see it's in 12th house. I don't have any planets in the 11th. Where's another house I don't have any planets? There's one more that doesn't have anything. That's right, it's the 6th house. Nothing at all. Not even any asteroids hanging out or outer cosmic planets, okay? But it's interesting that before I knew these newer planets, I thought I had the 7th house empty. I thought 4th house was empty. Okay. And Chiron's pretty well known, so I knew that in the 5th house. So that's always interesting to see that you don't have some empty houses. And there's more going on than you knew on the higher realms, right? Because these newer planets bring in higher realm information. Okay, I'm going to end it here. Let me know how this was, and I already know what the next few videos are going to be like, and now they're going to come out. So thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.